Sir, hi.
Yeah, how are you, sir?
Sir, I am fine.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, sir.
Where are you from, sir? Where are you from?
Sir, I am from Delhi. Right now, I am Delhi.
You live in Delhi.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
sir. I want to means talking with you. So I am texting you, sending you message, but you are not a free. So right now you are call me back, call me. So I am very excited talk with you.
Pleasure is mine, sir. Pleasure is mine. Well, I'm extremely sorry. Yesterday too, you called me, but I was busy. I was preoccupied with something. So that's
Yeah, yeah,
why I didn't reply you back. So I really apologize for that. I'm extremely sorry for that, sir.
yeah, yeah. So, sir, I am very happy when I saw you video, lots of video I'm showing on YouTube. So I am very happy that time. So you are first, means you are first YouTuber. I am inspired for you.
Inspired from you, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Sorry to interrupt you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very
yeah,
much.
yeah. Sir, before before watching your video, I have no knowledge about English. Sir,
Yeah.
when I watching your video on YouTube, so I am very glad. That time I decide to I learn English, so that's why I have been learning English right now. So I do that because of you.
Yeah.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
uh, it's like it's like a privilege for me that I'm inspiring you. But you,
So, sir, I am very happy that time because this is my dream. I talking with you, so I am very happy. So, thank you, sir. You're calling. You will call me. Thank you, sir, very much.
yeah, you. Thank you. Thanks to you that you call me. I should say thanks to you. I want to know about you, sir. I really
Yeah,
want to
sir.
know
So,
about you.
yes, sir. Sir, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Rajan, and I am from Punjab. But basically, I am staying in New Delhi because I
Yeah,
am working over there. So, sir,
yeah.
that's it. Yeah.
What you working, sir? What's your qualification?
Sir,
What you work?
yeah, yeah, sir. Sir, I had been done my 10 plus 2. Okay,
Yeah,
sir, in Punjabi language, After that, I took admission in BSc IT, but I didn't complete my education. Means due to any creative problem, so I left my college. So
mm-hmm.
before I find a job in private sector, so I do job. Right now, I am working in New Delhi in aviation
Mm-hmm.
industry, sir. Aviation industry.
Aviation industry.
Yeah, 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 sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What's the job in there? Like what kind of
Yeah,
a job?
sir. Yeah, sir. I am working in, ground staff job, with the team. Means we are working on, ready cargo and, I am working in, cargo sector in airport.
Yeah, yeah, in cargo sector.
Yeah, 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 sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So
Uh,
there is a department. There is a department we call a luggage section. While we travel
yeah,
from
yeah, sir.
to another country, and there is
Yeah, yeah,
another cargo sector. There is two sector, like a
yeah.
one called luggage and one called cargo. Which one you are
Car
in cargo
I'm
or luggage?
cargo, not a luggage. I am working in cargo sector.
Cargo sector.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
are you enjoying out there? Are you enjoying your job?
Yeah, sir. I have been joined this company since means last 2016, and till now I am working out there. So I am satisfied with my job, and I am earn money to that job. So I am enjoying.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So sir,
that's good.
before yeah, yeah, sir. Carry on.
No,
Introduce
I said,
yourself,
yeah,
please.
that's great. That's really fantastic. If you should enjoy wherever you work. You should enjoy first of all. Money is doesn't matter.
No, no, sir. No, sir. In jazz, that genre is that means I am means communicate with other people, stranger people, and I'm staying New Delhi. I think I achieve some knowledge, new knowledge. How to deal with people and how to manage, how to live. That kind of things I very inspire. So that's the reason I am staying in Delhi, and I am very I am enjoyed my life. You know, so
Hmm.
that's the reason I am still there. Delhi is very good state. So my work is very good for me. I am I have a I had been working 5 years. I have experience 5 years about cargo sector. So that is very
Hmm.
good for me. Yeah.
So do you think you will get the opportunity to go further, like you will be promoted, or there's something like that? Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah. So yeah. So please I am first of all I am a beginner, so I don't understand means I use English last 2 months. So before
Yeah, yeah.
I have not knowledge about English. So that's why I some sentence I couldn't means I cannot means understood. Yeah.
Well, you answer me properly. You answer me. It doesn't seem like that you are learning English since 2 months. It doesn't
Yes.
seem like you are
Yeah.
learning English past 2 months.
But sir,
Okay.
because that is credit only for you. First time I am
Mhm.
very enjoy means YouTube when I first time show you video on YouTube.
Mhm.
So that time I
Yeah.
decide I means I can do it. I can do it.
Yeah.
So that's time I give a means a goal itself. So that time means so I decide to I learn English. I want to learn it. So that's why right now I not a more knowledge about English, but I able to listen. I able to speak little little. So this is my best.
Well, you have done fantastic. You have done fantastic, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Well,
you, sir.
speak fantastic. You speak fantastic, and I sure I'm really sure that you will be fluent. You will be, you will gonna be acquire more and more knowledge. If you learn on the same way, you will be acquire more knowledge related to English.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, sir, before because I am belong to the rural area, and over there, all people communicate with mother tongue in Punjabi. So that time I used to in Punjabi language. So I have not more of knowledge about English. So means I am means spent 4 years in New Delhi. Okay, sir. So I mean, one day I am searching on YouTube or some a video I trying to watch only time pass. So
Hmm.
I grab your video. I watching your video first time. That I am watch your video. So I am very means worried and very excited. So I am very curious about you. So that time I decide I promise itself. So I do it. I do it. So sir, I am that time I continue practice every day. So yeah, this is only for you. This is credit give only for you.
Thank you, Mr. Rajan. Thank you. God
Yeah,
bless you. With whom you practice? With whom you practice, or how you learn English? I want to know. Tell me.
yeah. Sir, first time my daily routine, I get up in early morning, means early morning, 7 After that, I watching 15 minutes watching on news in English. After
Mhm.
that, I means whole the day means I practice single a day, 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours, 7 hours. I continue means practice.
Mhm.
But I am watching. I decide that time I am listening, watching on English, not
Mhm.
other language. I am
Yeah.
watching lots of video in English and
Mhm.
something anything English. I am make a small diary.
Mhm.
Yeah, you can see this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, sir, this is my English journey. Yeah,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So, sir,
Yeah. That's
I came
fantastic.
after that, sir. I am means I means written something word on special page. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Yeah. I shall show you.
Mhm.
Yeah, sir. I think. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. This is it.
Yeah. That's great. That's great. That's great,
Uh,
Mr. Rajan.
this way I am going on this way, so I keep practice every day. And one I have a time sometimes, so read book, something little bit book on Android phone. Android phone is very good for me. I am
Mhm.
use it properly, not
Yeah,
unuse.
yeah.
Yeah, that's a.
So yeah, that's really good. That's really good. But don't you practice with someone, Mr. Rajan? You
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. Means I don't found any means body whose I am practice with them. But sir,
Mhm.
every people is busy in our life, sir. So I am living apartment, so I couldn't find in anybody to whom I practice with them. But sir, on social media and create some, means create some WhatsApp group by Samir sir, Vardhar sir, that kind of means WhatsApp group I use daily. So and
Mhm.
your video means I am watching on content in English, all video
Mhm.
on
Mhm.
YouTube every day, sir, every day. Yeah. So sir,
Well,
yeah.
you're doing fantastic, but try to
Thank you,
increase the volume of practicing with other people. It will
sir.
help you a lot.
Yeah, sir. I am awful beginner, awful beginner.
Don't compare yourself as a beginner or an
Yeah,
intermediate level. Yeah, I am learning. Just say I'm learning, and you can achieve a goal, a
yeah,
desirable goal, whatever you want it to be, wherever you want it to be. You can achieve, Mr. Rajan.
yeah,
You
sir.
have a potential. You have a potential. You are a hard worker guy. You can do it.
Yeah, sir. Yeah. So, sir, before I have a not a English, I have not a knowledge about English, so that time I feel I am, I cannot do anything. I cannot do anywhere. So
Hmm.
that time I am very, means very nervous feel. I am very scared. So means how to deal with my means itself and everywhere people speaking in English. So I means I am very excited. I am very very nervous that time. But when I'm slowly read something, watching and curious, so slowly I my mind is active. My mind is familiar to about word means what is going on in English. So that time I love English. That time I am very comfortable with English. So slowly I'm understood everything. Not a bit more, but little bit, a little bit. I understood.
It's
Yeah,
really fantastic stuff.
yeah. So yeah,
So, okay, why you learning English, Mr. Rajan? What's
yeah,
give me the purpose
yeah,
exactly?
yeah. Yeah, sir, I am married person, so I have two children.
Mm-hmm.
Means I have a two daughter. So I means I learn English, to means how to deal my child, and I am survive with them. So I teach
Mm-hmm.
something English. So that's why I
Mm-hmm.
am learn this English. I am doing job. I am satisfied with my job. I am very love a job. I am satisfied with my life. But sir,
Mm-hmm.
my child, when they grow up slowly, so they have some knowledge about English. English is
Yeah.
very important. Whole of the world, English is very unique. Everyone,
Mm-hmm.
means they have a need to English. English is very, unique and very, necessary English. So I think is, when, means coming, years, coming, some years. So English is very, means, our way in, speaking English. So that's why I'm
Mm-hmm.
learn English. I am trying to, means I communicate with the other people when I am going anywhere, so I comfortable feel like. So that is how I am, learn English.
Yeah. Well, as well as English, I prefer you to learn communication skill. You know,
Yeah, sir.
it would be great deal if you learn the communication skill. It would be great for your future, Mr. Rajan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
No need to go anywhere. You will find a lots of video on a YouTube where you can find, where you can learn how to communicate, how to deal with people, how to deal with business, how to deal with parents, how to deal with your children, how you gonna give them a fantastic upbringing.
Yeah, sir. Yeah. Sir,
Mhm.
sir, I have one question about English. So please, could me tell me about, I'm sometimes confused when some friends means advise me. It means you are learning something, newspaper and some books, So when I read books, so I am very confused. That word is very difficult for me. I cannot understand that word. So, sir, means reading is very important, sir. So, sir, I am, sometime some friends, friend told me means spoken English and grammatical English different way, two different way. That is not
Hmm.
equal, different way. If you want to communicate with other people, only spoken. You concentrate your focus only for listening video, more listening, and more speaking. If you want to something knowledge about reading, writing, so you could read something, a book, newspaper, article.